Draw a line segment of length 10 centimeter. Now take a distance of 6 centimeter on your compass and draw a circle at one end of the line segment like this. Now make a fold along the line segment. Make the clear fold. Now to get the tangent, join the external point to the circle like this on both sides of the line segment. You will get two tangents. Remember, folds should be clear. Now you will get point of contact on the circle. Now join point of contact to the center to get the radius on both sides. Remember, folds should be single and clear. Now draw the lines on these folds so that you will get tangents and both radius. Now let us label the diagram. Center is O, external point P, point of contacts are A and B. We have taken OP as 10 centimeter, radius 6 centimeter, so OA equal to OB. Now let us measure the length of tangent. It comes 8, AP is 8, and similarly BP is also 8 centimeter. So it verifies that length of tangents are equal. Now let us measure angle B and A. Angle B is 90 and A is also 90. It proves that radius is perpendicular to tangent. Now if we fold along OP, we see that both triangles overlap each other. It proves that both triangles are congruent. Now let us check the other parts of the triangle. They should be equal. We see that APO is 37 degree and similarly angle BPO, it is also 37 degree. Now measure angle O. Angle AOP is 53 degree. Similarly, angle BOP is also 53 degree. So we get all corresponding parts are equal. When we fold along OP, we get both triangles overlap each other. Okay. Now angle OAOB, it is 106, 53 plus 53, and angle PAPB, it is 74 degree. It shows that sum of opposite angle is 180. Now you have to paste this activity sheet like this. Paste the gum here so that you can show that both triangles are congruent by folding along OP.